China's Horwin is coming to America and aiming to make a splash at CES. As part of this effort, they'll be showcasing a trio of electric motorcycles. The first is the $16,800 Senmenti Zero, which is billed as a sporty and versatile urban adventure bike. Horwin didn't go into many specifics, but the model features angular lines and distinctive lighting units. The bike measures 84.4 inches, 2,144 millimeters, long and has a seat height of 31.2 inches, 792 millimeters. The model also comes with an AI-powered advanced riding assistance system, which is designed to increase personalization as the system collects data to understand the rider, preventing accidents and enhancing rider protection and confidence. Speaking of safety, the bike has adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, and front/rear collision warning systems. Other highlights include automatic high beams, a 360-degree vision system, hill descent control, and lane detection technology. The company also mentioned uphill assistance and a Sentry mode. The 507 pounds bike is powered by a 16.9 kilowatt-hour battery, which provides 186 miles of range. It feeds an electric motor developing 99 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This setup enables the bike to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds, before hitting a top speed of 125 miles per hour. The company also said it can go from a 0 to 80% charge in as little as 30 minutes with a DC fast charger. The bike is currently available for pre-order and US deliveries are slated to begin in the fourth quarter of this year. The model will be followed by the Senmenti X in 2025, which is being previewed by a similarly named concept. It's a hyper GT that is designed to be the ultimate performance touring motorcycle. Looking like something from a Tron film, the concept has illuminated wheels and a futuristic fairing. The company didn't say much about the bike, but we can see X-shaped lighting units, a simulated engine, and a sizable seat. The bike is equipped with a 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which provides an estimated range of 250+ miles in the WLTP cycle. The concept also sports a 99 horsepower motor, which enables the bike to hit 60 miles per hour in less than 4 seconds. Last but not least, the Senmenti 11 is slated to arrive in 2026. It's being previewed by a minimalist concept that features vertical lighting units as well as split rear wheels. The bike also has variable body covers in different styles, which you can presumably swap out. Horwin CEO Wenzer Zhou said, "We're thrilled to introduce Horwin and tell our story to new audiences as the US is obviously a critical sales market for any EV company." He added, "We look forward to showing riders, from performance enthusiasts to first-timers, all the advantages of riding an electric motorcycle."